Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you a mini backpack unboxing. So inside is some stationery items, I think. So let's just get started and see what is inside. So here's the backpack. It looks so cute. It looks like you can hang it from a bag or something. Yeah, looking inside, they have even little stuffing in the front pocket. I think that is so cute. Nothing inside. Okay, let's take a look in the main compartment. Look at all these little supplies. I love miniatures, so this is very exciting for me. Here's a little mini wooden ruler. Next, we have some stickers. Oh, looks like 2 are missing. Next is this really cute composition type notebook. It's unlined. Then we have some mini crayons. These are so cute. I love rainbow. Yes, good. Okay, this is a little eraser. Another cute item. Then we have this decorative tape. I wasn't expecting this. This is so cute. Look how mini and cute that is. Oh, I found the 2 missing stickers. I'm just going to add it to the sticker sheet. And that is it. No more stuff inside. So I was going to try to do a little picture in the little notebook here. So here I am just doing a little drawing. I wanted to just test out the supplies. Can anyone guess what I'm drawing? Let's try to use some of this tape, maybe a sticker too. And there we have it, Mickey Mouse. Okay, I'm gonna put all my stuff away, and this is where I say goodbye to you all, and I hope you enjoyed this little mini video. See you guys next time, and Merry Christmas.